Hi and welcome. Well, in fact, a year ago today, I made a video called Beware Bar Street. I'll put a link in the description and it'll be up in the top corner there if you want to click on it and have a look at it. It's a year ago today that I made this video, and we're back here on Bar Street just to have a look, see if it's changed, improved, got worse or what. So let's have another look around Bar Street in Paphos in Cyprus. Come and join us. Well, of course we've got some signs of a bit of redevelopment. I think that was the White Stag or something of that nature. The Windmill Restaurant. Again, another closed down eatery. The Argo Restaurant. These buildings here, quite nice, they've been converted. This used to be a very large internet cafe. They've been made into what look like apartments. Card games, this used to be Zorro's. On the left is the large resort hotel, Sofia. That's pretty much all new. Sofia Resort Hotel, 2 minutes away from the harbour. It's actually a good location, and it would be a good location if Bar Street was anything like. Well, here we go. Well, Ace's Cocktail Bar. It's probably getting ready to open for this afternoon. And the Sky Bar, which is part of hotel there. This used to be a pub called the Watering Hole. It's completely gone. And then we've got a bar that's survived a long time, different bar. Getting it cleaned down. Again, over here there used to be bars and covered areas. They all seem to have disappeared, and we have got a new restaurant that's opened up. It's always good that people open up new stuff. So far not much has really changed. Bar here used to be Harry O's or something of that nature. And that appears to be closed. On the corner here we have Baywatch Bar, which is a cocktail bar that shows sports and games. It's actually a nice bar, reasonably priced drinks. And just across the road from there is Friends Bar. I can see a couple of restaurants, the Georgia and the Agapino restaurant. Again, these were all here last year. Obviously when you come on a night and the tavernas and the restaurants are open, and there is a bit of a different atmosphere. The Robin Hood pub, open up, road down to the harbour itself. So if you want to have a look around Bar Street yourself, just come up from the harbour and you'll meet the road running parallel to the coast. So, Robin Hood pub. It is open, getting ready to open up. Let's get out of the way of getting run over. typical night. Can't really tell whether that's open or closed. Again, in the middle of the Bar Street, we've got this charming old small Greek Orthodox church with beautifully kept gardens. Somebody takes a lot of pride, spends a lot of time keeping this nice. So it is in the middle of Bar Street, so with music and noise thumping at 2 or 3 in the morning. Again, over there used to be a bar. This is a place that's managed to stay open for a long time. Flair's Bar. Flair's Cocktail Bar. Probably one of the busiest places on the strip here of Bar Street on a night time. Across the road, Boogie's Karaoke Club. That's all inside. A couple of fast food restaurants. And then we have what used to be called the Wheat Sheaf Pub, is Legrand. And oh dear, his drinks have gone up from last year. His large beers were €2 a bottle, they're now $2.50. Bubbles, cocktail and music bar. Looks like it probably does open on a night. Notorious does open on a night. That seems to be all auto-cabin and boxed in. Used to be called Woody's. I don't know what it is now. Again, the further we stray down into Bar Street, the more derelict.
I
believe it was Hollywood's, yes. Next door to that was Black and White's, all clearly closed down. Across the road from that was Felix and Lineker's, again all gutted, all destroyed. You can see above there Cockatoo's Bowling Centre. I remember going in there, big bowling alleys, there was a piano bar downstairs, there was live music, there was lounges, really nice entertainment centre. All gone. Vibes nightclub, be underground, that will still be open, as was Rainbow that I forgot to mention, we've passed that. Coming across here, that was Lineker's. I know I criticised the place and people have a go at me and say, oh, you're not being fair, but I am. Imagine in the dark on a night, these places are dens of iniquity. Lardy lardy. Edelweiss restaurant, I used to love that restaurant.
So nice, family run.
Next door was a Greek restaurant, now it's called Grill Street 12. Does appear to be open. A hole for you to fall down. The Nest Cafe, very popular, but they won't let you in from Bar Street, so you have to walk round to the front. Again, that was another Greek restaurant, totally gutted. There were car rentals, banks, kiosks. Just up there was a fish and chip shop. And this is the end of Bar Street, coming towards the end. And again, one of the survivors on Bar Street is the Keg and Barrel and the Memories Cocktail Bar. and again there's next door to that is a fish and chip shop. So as again, it is daytime, but looking at the places they are opening, and people that are saying, oh well, there's people doing this and there's people doing that, I really can't see much change. Maybe a little, maybe at the top end there's one or two things open, but Bar Street's still a dump. Sorry to say, sorry Paphos, you may not like it, but it's a dump. So that's my opinion, I'm sticking to it. So that's our little walk along Bar Street. So we'll see you on the next video. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Thank you to all my current subscribers, and we'll see you on the next video. So it's bye from Julie and I. Bye.
Bye.